Alright guys, another trading session is here. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and let's get straight to the trading session. Okay, I'm already on the broker, guys, and my balance is $50. And today I'll be opening each trade with the maximum balance amount on 1 minute time frame. You can set the expiration time of your trades in the time tab, right? And today we are analyzing the market on the 1 minute time frame, and I've already analyzed the chart for the last period. So you can see all these assets with the most optimal movement pattern and payout percentage right in front of you. All right, so all the assets can be found in this tab. So besides currency pairs, you can trade on indices, cryptocurrencies, company stocks, and more. But that's not what we need today, right? We are trading currency pairs on the daily market, and based on my analysis, I've concluded that today will be, well, analyzing the trend movement and looking for extremum points, right? And we'll use a combination of indicators, including a Donchian channel with a period of 10, and the background of this channel highlighted in yellow, as you can see. So we'll also remove the moving average on this indicator since it's not needed. So then we add the second indicator with a period of 20 and fractal with a period of 5. So I almost always use the fractal indicator in my trades. It's very convenient for me because the local highs and lows it shows with a period of 5. Quite effective when trading on the 1 minute time frame. So yeah, and today we are focusing on the next entry point. So let's highlight the working area, and I'll show you an example of the correct signal. So let's highlight this point and these 2 points. And you can notice a certain pattern based on these 3 points, right? So we open a sell trade when the price touches the 2 moving lines, in this case the upper moving lines of the channel indicator, and starts showing downward movement. So as you can see, there is confirmation on the oscillator moving from the overbought area, and this tells us that the trade is more likely to close in the green. Yeah, so we also always confirm the formation of a fractal, in our case structural high. The same thing applies when opening a sell trade, but this time the touch happens with the lower moving line and movement from the oversold area. And in some cases, the price movement may only touch one of the channel indicator lines with a period of 10. And for some market movements, so this could also indicate opening a sell trade. Yeah. So for example, we can take this case. But such trades are harder to find because we can't analyze the oscillator since there is no movement from the oversold or overbought areas in most cases. Theoretically, a sell trade can also be open here, following this logic, but it's more difficult. So for beginners testing this strategy, I recommend using the first entry method, right? So hope this was informative and interesting. Well, so I think, yeah, let's get started with the practical part of it, and we'll pick the first currency pair, guys.
The future of trading is here and it's revolutionary. Say goodbye to long hours and guesswork. The AI-powered Telegram trading bot is taking the trading world by storm. This genius bot analyzes the market, predicts trends, and delivers precise signals. Thousands of traders have already jumped on board and are blown away by the game-changing results they achieved. Now it's your turn. Click the link in the description to get your free test signal from the bot. Don't miss out. Your trading success is just one click away.
Okay, so let's dive into the most difficult entry point. We'll open a trade in this format, and they are, certain conditions for opening such a position. We've seen a new global high, right? And this point is quite strong. Then the movement went into correction, followed by, rising volumes, and then the price touched the upper moving line of the channel indicator with a period of 10. So firstly, this moving line is quite close to the upper line, and there is a potential reversal of the price movement here. So we can open a sell trade here. Simple as that. Nice. You see that the trade closes in profit, but as you can see, the close wasn't confident as we would like. And I've mentioned this before, and I will say it again. To open these kinds of positions, you need to to be well prepared and highly trained when trading with this set of indicators. So let's keep analyzing the main signals in the next trades. So and pick the next currency pair.
Guys, trading was tough when I began. Lots of errors, lots of losses, but I've compiled a guide with all crucial tips I wish I had back then. It's free, guys, covering risk management, smart money use, and trading psychology with examples and easy steps. Don't miss out. Message me on Telegram for the book now. The link in the description.
Okay, so here we'll open a sell trade. So this is the signal I mentioned at the beginning, and I don't think this needs much explanation, guys. I hope. We can see that the price touched the upper moving lines of the channel indicators, and we have that double touch. We can now confirm gradual movement from the overbought area on the oscillator. So in this case, we'll definitely open a sell trade. So let's wait for the result. And as I said, the strategy doesn't need much explanation. It's a simple strategy, and I think you get the idea of how to trade using this set of indicators. So here we also had a strong upward impulse, about 4 candles closed with the big bodies and strong momentum. Such moments should always be considered because they improve the chances of a successful trade close. Yeah. So let's open another trade with the maximum balance amount, right? We'll try to open it for an upward movement and find a suitable asset for this.
Pin the subscribe button on my YouTube channel, big mistake. Dive into binary options with expert tips, strategies, and live analysis. Join now for smarter trades.
Okay, so here we'll open a buy trade against the trend. Again, everything is clear. We also had an impulse of 5 candles here, right? The dynamics are quite good, and before that there was a very strong impulsive movement. Additionally, a global structural high was formed, so here we can confidently open a buy trade, right? So we see movement from the oversold area on our oscillator, and yeah, let's wait for the outcome now. You see, this time I followed almost the same conditions for opening as in the previous trade. And yeah, I opened the position after this kind of impulse, and as I mentioned earlier, we had a decent downward movement before. So plus there was a formation of structural global low here. Yeah, so that was good. Let's probably finish today's trading session with this result. So by following these simple conditions, guys, and always analyzing the market before trading, you'll close your trades in the green in 90% of time, so which is absolutely guaranteed. Yeah, so proper analysis and choosing the right asset will play a crucial role. So a little practice and I think you will be on track. That's it. Well, I think let's wrap things up. We'll secure today's profit and move on to the withdrawal tab. Okay, so let's choose the wallet. I usually pick the Tether USDT TRC20. So today's profit is 280. So let's enter the wallet address and confirm the Google authenticator code. It's very simple. It's all part of the process. So the withdrawal operation is successfully completed. So that was good. That's it for today, guys. That was awesome trading session, very informative. And please subscribe to my Telegram group. The link you will find in the video description. You will find a lot of trading tips there and high win rate signals. Looking forward to see you in my VIP chat as well. So peace. See you next time.